Okay, writers, today we are going to add topic sentences to our nonfiction stories. So today you're only going to write 2 sentences. 1 sentence for your first chapter and 1 sentence for your second chapter. So here I have the beginning of my nonfiction writing toolkit. My book is all about living in a pandemic. If you have not written your title, go ahead and write your title. We're gonna save the cover page for later on, but notice that my title has all capital letters. So I'm going to skip past the dedication page. I'm going to skip past my table of contents. I'm going to skip past my introduction that I wrote last time, and I am going to get to my chapter 1. And I'm going to use the chapters that I have already planned out. So chapter 1 is about staying safe. And I'm going to get back to this one in just a second. And then I'm going to flip to chapter 2. And my chapter 2 was about virtual school. So now I'm going to flip back to my chapter 1. So I have both of my chapters planned out with my title. And now I have to plan out both of my chapters with my topic sentence. My topic sentence is the very first sentence of my chapter. It is the most important sentence. So you can write your topic sentence by stating a fact or asking a question. So for my first chapter, I'm going to state a fact. So I'm just going to think about my chapter and I'm going to say the most important fact. So my most important fact is, let me say it out loud before I write it. It's important to stay safe during the pandemic. It's important to stay safe during the pandemic. And I'm gonna put a period because that's the end of my topic sentence. Now my reader knows that the rest of my chapter is all going to be about safety. I'm not gonna write the rest of my chapter yet. I'm actually gonna go to my second chapter and plan the topic sentence for my second chapter. So I'm gonna flip the page and I'm going to think about my topic sentence for virtual school. My topic sentence is my first sentence and it's the very most important sentence. It gets your reader ready for what they are about to learn. So on my last page, I did a fact. So this page, I'm going to start off with a question. So my question is going to be, did you know that in a pandemic, students participate in virtual school? Did you know that in a pandemic, students participate in virtual school? Now, instead of a period, because I'm asking a question, I'm going to add a question mark. So writers, today, the only thing that you are doing is you're going to write 2 sentences. So you are going to write the topic sentence to your first chapter, and you're going to write the topic sentence for your second chapter. You're going to save everything else for later. So your topic sentences can be stating a fact or writing a question.